how much should you actually spend on a car scratch remover? Because people are happy buying the cheap ones, but returning the expensive ones. It's a bit interesting. The truth is, price doesn't always mean performance, and some mid-range options do a way better job than the pricier bottles. Let's break down what actually works.
Product number 1, Carfident Scratch Repair Kit. The Carfident Scratch Repair and Swirl Remover Kit. This one caught my eye because it comes with a buffer pad included, something a lot of other kits charge extra for. At $21.97, it's positioned as a mid-tier option. Not too cheap, not overly expensive. If you want an all-in-one solution that's beginner-friendly and actually includes the tools you need, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The compound uses premium chemicals, designed to tackle light scratches, swirls, and even water spots, all while restoring gloss. Unlike some harsh compounds that can eat through clear coat if you're not careful, Carfident claims it's safe on all paint types, including clear coat, single stage, and multi-stage finishes. That's huge if you drive a newer car or one with delicate paint. Plus, with over 10,000 units sold in the past month, it's clearly resonating with everyday drivers who don't want to mess around with multiple products. Now, some people complained about the included buffer pod feeling flimsy or wearing out after just one use. Here's the thing though, you can easily swap it out with a higher quality foam pod you might already have from another detailing kit. The real value here is in the formula, not the pod. And honestly, for the price, getting a usable applicator included is still a win. This is perfect for you if you're dealing with surface-level scratches from shopping carts or tree branches and want a simple, no-fuss fix at home. Skip this one if you've got deep scratches that go into the primer. This isn't meant for those, but for everyday wear and tear, solid value for the money.
Product number 2, Meguiar's Ultimate Compound. If Carfident's kit felt a little too basic, this next one takes a more professional approach. Meet Meguiar's Ultimate Compound, a pro-grade scratch remover that's been trusted by detailers for decades. At $13.97, it's surprisingly affordable given its reputation. If you want serious cutting power without breaking the bank, this one's a standout. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It uses micro-abrasive technology with fine aluminum oxide to remove scratches, swirls, and oxidation while leaving behind a high gloss finish. Unlike cheaper compounds that leave haze or require multiple passes, Meguiar's is formulated to cut fast and finish clean, even on clear coats. It works by hand or with a polisher, so whether you're a weekend warrior or a full-on car enthusiast, you can get great results. And with over 10,000 sold recently, it's clearly a go-to for people who want performance without the premium price tag. Now, some people complained that it can be a bit too aggressive if you're not careful, especially on older or thinner paint. Here's the thing though, that's actually a sign of how effective it is. You just need to use light pressure and work in small sections. If you rush it or press too hard, yeah, you might create new swirls. But if you follow the instructions, it's one of the safest strong compounds out there. This is perfect for you if you've got moderate scratches or heavy swirl marks and want a trusted brand that delivers real correction. Skip this one if you're a total beginner and nervous about using compounds. Go for something milder first. But for the price and performance, it's a steal. Product number 3, Meguiar's Quick Eraser Kit. That was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for busy people who want speed and power. The Meguiar's Quick Eraser Kit is a drill-activated scratch remover that makes light work of surface blemishes. No price listed, but based on similar kits, expect to pay around $25 to $30. If you want professional-level results in half the time, this one's built for you. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It combines Meguiar's Scratch X compound with a drill-mounted foam pad, so the machine does the heavy lifting. That means less elbow grease and faster results, especially on larger panels like doors or hoods. It's safe on all glossy paints and clear coats, and the micro-abrasive formula removes light scratches, scuffs, and even paint transfer without hazing. Plus, it includes a microfiber towel, so you're not left scrambling for supplies. With 9,000 plus sold, it's clear people love the convenience. Now, some people complain that the drill attachment can wobble or feel unstable if your drill isn't perfectly balanced. Here's the thing though, this isn't a flaw in the product, but a reminder that you need a decent drill. A cheap or old drill with play in the chuck will cause issues. Use a reliable electric drill and this thing runs smooth as butter. This is perfect for you if you've got multiple scratches across your car and don't want to spend hours hand polishing. Skip this one if you don't own a drill or prefer total control by hand. But if you want speed and efficiency, this kit delivers. Product number 4, Meguiar's M105 Ultra Cut Compound. If the quick eraser was about speed, this next one is about serious correction. The Meguiar's Mirror Glaze M105 Ultra Cut Compound is a heavy-duty solution for deep scratches and heavy swirls. Again, no listed price, but expect to pay around $20 to $25. If you've tried everything else and still see defects, this is your next step. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It's formulated to remove moderate to heavy paint defects, including scratches, oxidation, acid rain stains, and even sanding marks up to 1200 grit. That's aggressive. But thanks to its micro-abrasive aluminum oxide formula, it minimizes new swirl creation while boosting gloss. It works by hand, DA polisher, or rotary buffer, giving you flexibility based on your setup. And with 4,000 sold, it's clearly trusted by serious detailers. Now, some people complain that it can leave micro-marring if not followed up with a finer polish. Here's the thing though, that's normal with any heavy cut compound. The M105 is meant to be the first step, not the last. You follow it with a finishing polish like Meguiar's M205 to bring back the mirror shine. Think of it like sanding wood. You start coarse, then go fine. This is perfect for you if you've got deep scratches or heavily oxidized paint and need real correction. Skip this one if your car only has light swirls, you'll overdo it. But for serious restoration, this is pro-level power in a bottle. Product number 5, Chemical Guys VSS One Step. We've got the Chemical Guys VSS One Step Scratch and Swirl Remover. At $21.97, it's priced similarly to Carfidant, but with a different approach. If you want a compound and polish in one bottle, saving time and money, this is a smart pick. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It combines cutting power and finishing polish, so you remove light to moderate scratches and swirls while leaving behind a high gloss finish. No second step needed. That's a big deal if you're short on time or don't want to buy multiple products. It's safe on all paint types, including ceramic-coated finishes, and works by hand or machine. With 2,000 plus sold, it's gaining traction among DIYers who want simplicity without sacrificing results. Now, some people complain that it's not strong enough for deeper scratches. Here's the thing though, that's by design. This is a one-step solution for light to moderate defects, not a heavy cutter. If your scratch goes through the clear coat, you'll need something stronger like the M105. But for everyday scuffs and swirls, it's smooth, effective, and leaves a great shine. This is perfect for you if you want a time-saving, all-in-one solution that still delivers a showroom finish. Skip this one if you've got deep paint damage, but for most daily drivers with surface-level issues, it's a reliable, no-hassle option. So which one should you pick? If you're a beginner, go with Carfidant for the included pad and ease of use. Need strong correction on a budget? Meguiar's Ultimate Compound is hard to beat. Want speed? The Quick Eraser Kit with a drill is a game changer. Dealing with deep scratches? M105 is your heavy hitter. And if you want simplicity, Chemical Guys VSS does it all in one step. Each has its place. Just match it to your car's needs and your skill level.